Sri Yoginarayana Yatindra of Kaivara was a great saint, sadhaka par excellence, and also a Varakavi, a blessed poet. He was conferred with titles like Amara Narayana Karunacharya, Parabrahma Paripurna Karakalita, Brahma Vidyadhura, Samasta Nigamartha Nirneta, Sadguru Lokaika Stutya. Sri Sadguru Yoginarayana Yatindra's writings provide unfailing spiritual support and guidance to all of us. Apart from writing hundreds of Sankirtanas on his chosen deity Sri Amara Narayana, Kaivara Yoginarayana had composed many Sankirtanas on deities like Shiva, Parvati, Ganapati, Lakshmi, etc. This particular Sankirtana, which I am going to introduce you to today, is Ambanu Chudaramma, Jagadambanu Chudaramma. This is a very beautiful Sankirtana where you will find lots of poetical talent apart from utmost devotion of Kaivara Tataya. Mahashivratri is ahead. Let us praise the consort of Shambhu and get the blessings of the primal couple Shiva and Parvati. So, I'll first render the Telugu original and give our translation in English. Here it is. Ambanu Chudaramma, Jagadambanu Chudaramma. Ambanu Chudare Akhilandeshwari, Shambhuni Satita Koluvai Unnadi. Panjulu Kammalu Papata Bottunu, Thaluku Budagalu Tali Pathakamu. Chakkani Talliki Mutyapu Mukkara, Parameshwaru Sati Koluvai Unnadi. Hasta Kadiyamulu Addapu Gajalu, Padamulandelu Pavada Gajjalu. Pillani Mettelu Birudu Mudrikalu, Palakshuni Sati Koluvai Unnadi. Navaratnammulu Navyaharamulu, Nadumuna Nagabharanamu Oppuga, Veladulu Vinjamaralu Vivaga, Bhrungishwara Sati Koluvai Unnadi. Karamuna Khadga Trisulamu Buni, Kati Grahamula Khandinchedanani, Akhila Janambula Abhayamulichi, Vrushabha Vahununi Sati Koluvai Unnadi. Vanitalu Suchi Vastramulu Kattuka, Varavaibhavamula Vededa Manchu, Dikku Deepamulu Techiri Chudare, Samba Sivuni Sati Koluvai Unnadi. Bhaktika Kolichina Bhaktula Kellanu, Korina Korikalanniyu Nichanu, Daatu Sunyamulu Meetunu Trunamuga, Mukkantishwara Sati Koluvai Unnadi. Kaivara Vasuni Karuna Galadu, Sri Amara Narayana Swami Sahodari. Dinadina Vaibhava Memana Vachunu, Sri Kantuni Sati Koluvai Unnadi. So here it is in English translation. Ambanu Chudaramma, Jagadambanu Chudaramma. Ambanu Chudare Akhilandeshwari, Shambhuni Satita Koluvai Unnadi. Behold the mother, our universal mother. Oh, behold the mother Akhilandeshwari, the consort of Shambhu. She is presiding here. Panjulu Kammalu Papata Bottunu, Thaluku Budagalu Tali Pathakamu, Chakkani Talliki Mutyapu Mukkara, Parameshwaruni Sati Koluvai Unnadi. Hasta Kadiyamulu Addapu Gajalu, Padamulandelu Pavada Gajjalu, Pillani Mettelu Birudu Mudrikalu, Palakshuni Sati Koluvai Unnadi. She is adorned with ear studs, tear gem in her hair parting, glittering beads and the auspicious thali pendant, pearl nose ring the beautiful mother has on her. The consort of Parameshwara, she is presiding here. She has bracelets and also glass bangles on her arms. She has anklets as also jingling ornaments around her feet. She has dainty toe rings and many insignia of praise. The consort of Palaksha, the one with an eye in the forehead, she is presiding here. Navaratnamulu Navyaharamulu నడుమున నాగాభరణము ఒప్పుగా వెలదులు వింజామరలు వీవగా భృంగీశ్వరి సతి కొలువై ఉన్నది. కరమున ఖడ్గ త్రిశూలము బూని కాటి గ్రహముల ఖండించెదనని అఖిల జనంబులకు అభయములిచ్చి వృషభ వాహనుని సతి కొలువై ఉన్నది. She is adorned with 9 gems and fresh garlands. She has the serpent-shaped waist belt around her waist. As the handmaids fan her with whisk fans, the consort of Bhringeshwara, the Lord of Bhringi, she is presiding here. She is wielding a sword and a trident in her arms. I will cut asunder evil spirits, she vows an everlasting oath, thus giving assurance to the people of the worlds. The consort of Vrishabhavahanu, the Lord whose vehicle is a bull, she is presiding here. వనితలు శుచి వస్త్రములు కట్టుగా వరవైభవముల వేడిద మంచు దిక్కు దీపములు తెచ్చిరి చూడరే సాంబశివుని సతి కొలువై ఉన్నది. భక్తిగా కొలిచిన భక్తులకెల్లను కోరిన కోరికలన్నీయు నిచ్చును దాటు శూన్యములు మీటును తృణముగా ముక్కంటీశ్వర సతి కొలువై ఉన్నది. The women folk wearing pure clean clothes, seeking all auspiciousness and glory, having brought glowing lamps filled light in all directions. The consort of Sambasiva, the ever propitious one, she is presiding here. To those devotees who pray with devotion, she grants all the wish-fulfilling boons. She bestows the esoteric knowledge effortlessly. The consort of Mukkanteshwara, she is presiding here. అంబను చూడరే అఖిలాండేశ్వరి ಅಂಬನು చూడరే. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಂದೇಶಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಕೈವಾರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತರಿಸುವ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕೈವಾರ ಯೋಗಿ ವಾಹಿನಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು.